Hello everyone, and welcome back to Inspire 51. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of our immune system, the complex network that keeps us safe from pathogens and diseases. Let's explore how it works and why it's essential for our survival. What is the immune system? Our immune system is an intricate system of organs, cells, and proteins that defends us against bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It operates on two levels, innate and adaptive immunity, each playing a crucial role in fighting off invaders. Innate immunity. Innate immunity is our body's first line of defense. It includes barriers like our skin and mucus, which block pathogens from entering. Our stomach acid destroys invaders that we might ingest, while enzymes in our sweat and tears attack pathogens that come into contact with the skin. Adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity, on the other hand, is more specialized. It recognizes specific pathogens and remembers them, making future responses faster and more effective. This system involves organs like the spleen and thymus and uses antibodies to target and destroy specific invaders. Other triggers of the immune response. Besides pathogens, our immune system also reacts to antigens, which include allergens like pollen and dust. While these reactions protect us, they can also lead to allergies, where the immune response becomes too aggressive, causing discomfort and other symptoms. The role of inflammation. Inflammation is another critical aspect of our immune defense. It helps isolate and destroy pathogens but can be painful and damaging if it becomes chronic. Conditions like autoimmune disorders arise when the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells, leading to chronic inflammation. Immune system disorder. Sometimes, the immune system doesn't function as it should. Immunodeficiency disorders like AIDS weaken it, making the body vulnerable to infections. Autoimmune diseases like lupus cause it to attack itself, damaging healthy tissues. That's a wrap on our immune system. For more insights into how you can support your immune system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.